Hello students, my name is Ashwini Kare. So we are going to study methods of classification. There are two types of methods of classification. First one, inclusive method. So the method of classification in which an observation equal to upper limit is included in the same class is known as inclusive method of classification. So for example, the method classification of students according to their age group. So 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15 and so on. So here upper limit 5 is included in the same class, that is 1 to 5, or next upper limit 10 which is included in the second class 6 to 10. So the second method of classification, exclusive method of classification. So the method of classification in which the upper limit of class is not included in the same class but which is included in the next class. So for example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So here upper limit 10 is not included in the 0 to 10 class but which is included in the 10 to 20 class. So the next, some statistics definition. So first one, class limits. So the numbers designating the class interval are known as class limits. For example, 0 to 10. Lower limit, the smallest possible number that can included in the same class is known as lower limit, and upper limit means the largest possible number that can included in the class is known as upper limit. So for example, class limit, suppose 0 to 10 class. So 0 is the smallest number, that is lower limit, and 10 is the largest number, that is called as upper limit. Class boundaries. So the actual magnitude of class can be extended is called as class boundaries. So the class boundaries are the numbers up to which the actual magnitude of the class interval can be extended. Lower boundary is equal to lower limit minus gap upon 2, and upper boundary is equal to upper limit plus gap upon 2. So here gap is equal to lower limit of a class minus upper limit of previous class. So for example, inclusive class 10 to 19. So 10 to 19, here lower limit is equal to 10 and upper limit is equal to 19. So gap is equal to 20 minus 19, so equal to 1. Lower boundary is equal to 10 minus 1 half, that is equal to 9.5, and upper boundary is equal to 19 plus 1 half, so is equal to 19.5. So class limits 10 to 19, boundaries 9.5 to 19.5. Then 20 to 29, boundary 19.5 to 29.5, and class 30 to 39, boundaries 29.5 to 39.5. Next definition, class width. So it is the actual length of the class interval is called as class width. Class width means upper limit minus lower limit for exclusive type of classification, and for inclusive type of classification, class width is equal to upper boundary minus lower boundary. So for example, class 10 to 20. So here 10 is equal to lower limit and 20 is equal to upper limit. So 20 minus 10, that is equal to 10. This is the class width. Then midpoint, or this is also called as class mark or mid values. So it is a value lying halfway between the lower and upper class limits of a class interval. So midpoint is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. For example, class 10 to 20. So lower limit is equal to 10 and upper limit is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 divided by 2 is 30 by 2 equal to 15. 15 is a midpoint of class 10 to 20. Open-end class. So open-end class means one of the limit is not specified. A class in which one of the limit is not specified. For example, below 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 or above 30 is an example of open-end class. Or another example, below 10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 30,000 and above 30,000. Then cumulative frequency distribution. So there are two types of cumulative frequency distribution: less than cumulative frequency distribution and more than cumulative frequency distribution. Thank you.